My name's Amy Holmes. It is 8/31/2020, and this is my determining gene sequence and map distance video and PowerPoint presentation. Along with the map distance sequence will be a coefficient of coincidence and interference. Here you'll see this is the data set to be evaluated for this mapping sequence. We have plus is 1340, ABC is 1362, plus B plus is 400, A plus is 100, A plus C is 420, plus C is 970, plus BC is 140, and AB plus is 1010. On this slide, we'll be determining the groupings and crossover categories. As you can see, plus 1340 and ABC at 1360 are the closest and represent our non-crossover group. Plus B plus at 400 and A plus C at 420 are our single crossover group. The second single crossover group is plus C at 970 and AB plus at 1010. These are the closest in range and our second single crossover group. Our last group is A plus at 100 and plus BC at 140. And together, 100 and 140, these make up our double crossover group. This is the group that we are targeting to determine, and we're going to look at closer in the next slides. In this slide was a continuation of determining the gene arrangement. We have a possibility 1 of A, B, C with the plus. Possibility 2, A, C, B, plus. Possibility 3, B, A, C, plus. We're looking for the A to be located in the center position, so for our double crossover, and so possibilities 1 would not be correct. Possibility 2, because C is in the middle, would not be correct. So our possibility 3 with A in the center would be our correct arrangement. This slide is step 2 continued of the correct gene arrangement. Basically took possibility 1 and arranged the 3 so that the A would be in the center. Possibility 2, again, arranged them so that A would be in the center, and possibility 3 arranged it where we show plus A plus and the B plus C where the double crossover would be occurring. This is step 3 to determine the distance between the genes. So we have CAB equals 1340 and plus equals 1362. Take that total and divide it by the total of all the total sequence, and we have 0.47. We times that times 100 to get our percentage, which is 47.06%. The plus A plus, the single crossover, equals 400, plus AC equals 420 to come up with 820, and divide by again the total amount for the set, which is 5742, to come out to 0.14. Times it again by 100 to get our percentage of 14.28. Plus C, 970, B plus A equals 1010, a total of 1980, divided again by the total set. The set total, it'll come out with 0.34 and times it by 100 which equals 34.48%. For the double crossover plus A plus, we come up with a total of 240 divided by the 5,742 comes to 0.04 times 100, gives us 4.18%. A to C, it equals 14.28. We add that double crossover 4.18 to come out with 18.46 map units. And the distance from B to A is 34.48 plus the double crossover of 4.18 to come out with 38.66 map units. And you see below, here's the distance between C and A at 18.46 and A and B 38.66. Now step 4 to calculate the coefficient of coincidence for A. The observed double crossover in percent is 2.4. The 2.4 divided by 100 is 0.024. The double crossover expected is 0.185 times 0.387, which equals 0.0716 times 100 to give us 7.16%. The A equals observed double crossover divided by the expected double crossover. We take the 0.024 and divide it by the 0.0716 to equal 0.335 coefficient of coincidence. The final step is step 5 to calculate the interference. Interference is set to 1 is equal to 1 minus 0.335, which results in or gives us 0.665, which is positive. And so our conclusion is positive interference with 66.6%. More double crossover occurred than expected. This concludes the video for map sequencing.